Hello viewers, today I'll show you a very popular North Indian egg recipe called Punjabi Anda Masala. There are many variations of this simple and easy recipe. Today I'll show you my version of this delicious egg recipe. For this recipe, I'll need 6 hard-boiled eggs, 1 sliced red bell pepper, 3 sliced spring onions, 3 chopped green chilies, 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 cup of red onion paste, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, some tomato puree, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander powder. Let's begin cooking by adding the onion paste to some hot oil. Fry the onion paste for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the ginger garlic paste into the pot and fry it for a minute. Then add the ground spices and mix them in. Now it's time to add the chopped tomatoes into the pot. Keep frying and squash down the tomatoes. Then add a bit of water. Give the pot a stir. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take the lid off. You can see that the tomatoes are cooked. Now add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree into the pot and blend it in. Pierce the eggs on all sides like I'm doing here. Add salt according to your taste. Mix it in. Then add the eggs into the pot and fry everything on high heat for 2 minutes. Then add the peppers, chilies and spring onions into the pot and continue frying on high heat for 2 minutes more. Now add a bit of water and mix it in well. Then add a teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter into the pot and fry for another minute. And our delicious Punjabi Anda Masala is ready. Let's plate up our Punjabi eggs. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and serve this delicious egg masala with some chapatis or parathas as they are in the Punjabi dhabas of North India. Punjabi Anda Masala is a very versatile dish which can be had any time of the day. It is one of the easiest egg recipes to try out at home to satisfy all your spice cravings. Enjoy!